Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging. On the application of Strava, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Strava app and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.